Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another set of beautiful nails, and first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this Madame Glam gel polish in the color Angel Wings, and then I'm also gonna be using a teal color by Elite 99, and I honestly do not know the name of it. The number on the bottom of my polish is always erased, but if I can find it, I'll leave it in the description. So we're going to cure that hand for 30 seconds, and then we're going to do the same thing on this hand. We're using the Madame Glam gel polish in the color Angel Wings, and we're just going to do that on all her nails except for one, which will be kind of like an ombre, but it's not really an ombre because I'm going back and doing a unicorn nail. So I just wanted both of the colors on the nail, and that teal color that I'm using, it is a gel polish as well by Elite 99. So then we're going to do this hand, and we're going to let it cure for another 30 seconds, and we're going to go back and do a second coat of both polishes on both hands. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go in and apply a non-cleanse gel top coat, and this is my IBD gel top coat, which you can find on eBay. So I'm just going to apply this to the nails that I'll be applying my chrome to. So we're going to let those cure for 60 seconds, and we're going to go back and do the other hand as well. Alrighty, so now that that first hand is cure, I'm going to go back and apply my chrome on it. So for this one, we're doing a reversed ombre. So as you can see, I'm using my makeup wedge sponge, and I focus on that cuticle area, and then the middle I kind of just blend in, and this one will be just a regular ombre. And then on that middle finger, we're going to do the unicorn look. So I'm going to go back and apply some gel to it. Alrighty, so for this finger, I'm going to be doing the Tammy Taylor Builder Gel. And as you can see, whenever I apply it, I kind of curve it. So I'm using my nail art brush, which is on my website. And then I remember, instead of doing just a line straight across, I kind of just curve it a little bit when I'm doing it. And then after we do this, we're going to cure it for 60 seconds. And remember, whenever you're doing this, you want to make sure that you don't apply your little lines too close to each other, because if not, if you take too long, they will run into each other, which will kind of take away from the unicorn effect. So you want to make sure you work really fast with this, and you want to get a builder gel that's not too runny. Alrighty, so same thing for the other hand. We're going to go in and apply our chrome, and then we're going to go in and apply our gel on that middle finger and do the unicorn effect again. Okay, so my first coat of the little unicorn nail weren't thick enough, or yeah, I guess thick enough. So I'm just going back in and applying a second coat. So I'm tracing back over the lines that I had already drew. And I don't usually have to do this, but I don't know what happened today. So if you have to go back and do this, it's fine. There's no problem at all. Just go back and retrace those lines that you already have and just cure it again. Alrighty, so I'm going to go in and apply my non-cleanse gel top coat, which is the same one that I use for the other nails. And remember, you do need a non-cleanse top coat when you're doing the chrome, because if not, it would not stick to the nail. So we're going to do that on both nails. And remember, when you're applying the top coat on this unicorn nails, you want to make sure that you apply it in the same direction that your nails are, that the little lines are going, because if not, you're going to mess it up, because you're going to basically fill in the little ridges if you were to just do it as if you were just applying a regular top coat. So now I'm going to go in with this chrome, and it's not the same holographic chrome. It's like I think they call it fairy dust chrome, and I'm just going to apply it all over the nail, but it's the same technique. You apply it with the makeup wet sponge, and I'm going to go back and do the same to the other hand. Alrighty, so now I'm just going to apply a couple of little strips on the thumb, and this is the little striper tape. And after we do this, we're just going to apply a top coat, and we're going to cure them for 60 seconds. And remember, whenever you're doing the little strips, you want to make sure that you cut the strips as close as you can to the end of the nail, as well as that cuticle area, because if not, they will get caught on stuff and they come off really easily. So I also like to even do a second top coat and then go back and file after the first top coat to make sure that there's no little strips hanging off the nail, because once again, they will fall off really easily. So we're going to go back and apply a top coat to the rest of the nails as well and cure for 60 seconds. Alrighty, so this is the final look. They are so pretty, yet they were really simple to do. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at GetNailed32, and stay tuned for more videos to come.